Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can hard reset your DJI Mini 4 Pro. So first click on the three dots in the right upper corner, go for About, and here all you have to do is just to scroll down and find the Reset All the Settings. So when you click right here, you'll find information to reset all settings to the default and you will restart your aircraft, but also you've got the second option to clear all data. So it means that you will basically remove this stuff like data and aircraft internal storage and SD card, aircraft logs, and you will also unlocking the license and other user data stored on the aircraft. So you can just do this, tap to clear. Now just be patient and wait a little bit. Okay, and to finish, just restart your aircraft. And next you have to just turn off the echo mode to perform the whole reset of your aircraft. So click on these three dots. There we go for About. If you have the same issue that you cannot actually find your settings, just be sure to scroll down like that and you will have it after a few seconds. So click to reset. It is right now resetting our device, and as you can see, the reset is successfully and our aircraft will restart soon. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.